Duke montage or close shave duck. We are going to do some fixed repair restoration. We need new decals, a lot of cleaning. Look at that, missing obviously one wheel. And we do test works or not work. Even there, we need actually a driving axle cog. All right, I'm going to connect 5 volts to the motor directly. Let's see if works or no. Oh yeah, we have power now, but wheel is not engaging. Now we can try with the battery. Yeah, it works. It needed a little jump, so let's begin. Here's the driving axle. Okay, yeah, I see. We need a replacement. Now the motor is good. The only thing we need to do is and we need a deep cleaning, definitely. Once we remove all the screws, the turn is to, I need to, one of my screws fell off and I couldn't find it, so I need to actually break this piece of plastic. I won't be able to use it again. If you encounter the same problem, you definitely need to remove this piece. Now we can access the motor, the gearbox, by removing these tabs. Wow, 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 wow. You know what? I also find out that we need to repaint the roof. Look at that roof. All right. So lately I've been using this sonic cleaner that saves me a lot of time. All right, let's remove the decals. Be very careful when using this tool. Very dangerous. You might burn your fingers, so I do not recommend using it if you are a kid. It needs to be done under adult supervision. This decal is way too old. Glue almost gone. We got it. As soon as I get done with this, removing the decals, I use rubbing alcohol to remove the rest of the glue. Big difference. Excellent. Look at that rooftop. Needs some paint. And it's ready for paint. This is how it looks after spray paint. Black. Good. All parts ready. Let's begin. And let's not forget some lube. Also this piece goes here. Next is this other part of the gearbox. Lever, cover, done. Next is the driving axle missing the cog. All right, let's continue. Where's the motor? Right here. And the battery. Good. Excelente. I think that piece is for another model. side rods. Here's the other one. Next, decals. Yes, I know it's a little different the shade, but when my machine broke down, I could not print more, but it's pretty close. Or I should say better than nothing. And I think close shave duck. It's, oh no, we need to paint this. And we are using oil-based marker. I'm gonna paint this too. Yeah, oil-based marker, any brand, oil-based markers. We are done with close shave duck. Good. I won this Hero in an auction, and it's for parcel repair, missing a coupler, and let's see if we can fix it. Obviously we need to replace these decals, and inside we have a lot of battery corrosion. It's missing one coupler, and we need to straighten these side rods. Look at this tire, they are almost gone. This model requires oh man, a lot of cleaning. I'm gonna replace those decals on this tender too. What is that? All right, a closer look to those tires. And now we remove these decals. See how the heat softened the glue? This way is much better for me. Beautiful. Next step, we need to wash all these parts, but before we need to also take some parts from here. This is very filthy. Look at the inside. Wow. A lot of battery corrosion. See the inside. Oh man. I don't know if this thing works. This is loose. Now, I don't know if we can save this motor, but it seems that the corrosion, battery corrosion, is not in the motor inside. It's, well, at least it's working. That's a good news. All right, we need to wash all this too. All right, we are ready to assemble here, but I'm gonna start with the decals. First, the tender, the other side, done with the tender. Now the tuner for the engine. This model has been used a lot. Can you notice this bent here? See, let me tell you something about the decals. I stopped making the decals long time ago for so many reasons. First, take too much time to make them, and to list and sell and shipping and blah blah blah, and that stopped me. I mean, it did not let me to continue making customs or fixing repair, so it consumed a lot of time. Now, other thing is, I went to buy another machine because mine broke down, and at the end, the other machine was the same. I don't know if it's it was an update from their studio, that Cricut Studio, that always cutted my prints crooked. They were not aligned. So whatever we see here is the result of the other prints that I had in stock before. So I did not print anymore since about, let me say, I think last time I printed was this whole bunch here, and I had this before about 2 years ago. So anyways, let's continue. First step, the motor. See that original cog? It does have a big gap, and obviously it's loose. Alright, I'm going to add a spring battery terminal with one rivet. Good. Done. Alright, let's see if this thing works. It's working. I think I'm going to continue with the tender. And this go here. Couplers. This tender is looking good. Excelente. These look good. They just came out of the sonic cleaner. It's actually ultrasonic cleaner. And now we assemble the chassis. Test. This piece goes here. And now the top. I think I need to give a little touch up. This buffer. Need to get another marker. These are getting old. Is this supposed to be black or what? Let me check another one. Yeah, this one here shows black buffers. Almost done. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit here. And we are done.